Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Let's drink coffee. Too hot. Let's drink coffee and eat breakfast. I'm hungry because I did not eat dinner yesterday. I just ate the maha that the church giving us. It's cold outside. I stay here. The air conditioner is very cold. It's Sunday. It's a family day today. Enjoy your day together with your family, guys. Today is 13. 13 na? 13. Middle of July again. See you later. Bye.